Yo, what's going on, guys? Crypto Cuter coming at you again with another video. And guys, today we're going to be going over what I personally believe, not financial advice, is the best crypto investment July 2020. So guys, before this video starts, make sure you are hitting subscribe, hitting the like button. We're coming up on 1,000 subscribers. Pretty crazy, guys. We're growing so unbelievably fast. Let's get right into it. So I know you guys are probably sick and tired of me talking about it, but this is just my personal opinion. I believe the best crypto investment July 2020 is still Tezos XTZ, sitting at a market cap of just below $2 billion, guys. This actually, if you guys know, travels kind of closely with Chainlink, and I think Chainlink's run up that we just saw is actually going to end up coming over to Tezos, and I'm hoping that Tezos can end up going back up to the levels that we saw before Corona happened and the price basically got tanked. So let's come over to the Coinbase price chart because this one's a little more clear. But on the 24 hours, guys, 5.7%. Tezos is up. I believe that's second highest on the day in all of crypto, which is pretty crazy. But yeah, we're looking on the week, guys. Obviously, it's a great week, 18% just about. And then the month, I believe it's recovered quite nicely from the little drop that we saw. But yeah, I mean, we almost passed 290 at one point on June 24th. So I believe we're at least going to go up to those levels, guys. But yeah, getting into why I believe Tezos is the best investment is because, as we saw here, before Corona happened, guys, Tezos was absolutely zooming up. I know the whole market was doing pretty well, but Tezos was literally leading the market, just absolutely cruising, if you guys remember. Because I remember I basically sold like right here. But yeah, Tezos, who knows how high it would have gone, guys. I think a lot of people were very excited about it, and a lot of this can be attributed to the staking, guys. So staking just is a total game changer, because at the end of the day, what I personally believe is that nobody really knows which cryptocurrencies are going to survive. I think that there's a lot of things you can look at and point to, but at the end of the day, I think when you have something on the table like the ability to stake your coins and earn a percentage, you can't just pass it up. Especially with a project like Tezos, which is still has a relatively low market cap, ton of room for growth, but it's also like a great project, and it's not just like a random coin, guys. Like it's number 12 in the market cap. So I mean, I believe that Tezos is the best investment. I think when you can just kind of take that 4% to the bank, and especially because when you come onto an exchange like Coinbase, I don't recommend Coinbase for staking. I think there's obviously better exchanges out there with a higher percentage yield, but if you do it on Coinbase, you basically get paid out every 3 days, and then once you get paid out, you can basically stake the coins that you just earned. So it's just a ton of passive revenue, and then it's compound interest as well. So I think with that on the table, you just can't really pass it up. And then obviously the technology behind it is absolutely amazing. I believe that Tezos will be one of the 1% of crypto projects that will survive. But in the short term, guys, and the long term, I just don't see how you can't invest in Tezos. That's not financial advice, but I honestly believe we'll be passing this $4 mark this year. I think we definitely would have done it had Corona not happened. As we saw, we had the triple wave pattern I was talking about in yesterday's video. We had this one wave, pullback, second wave, pullback. We were starting the third wave, and then boom, market got tanked. So who knows where it could have gone, guys. I think it's criminally undervalued right now for what it's bringing to the table. I think the technology is great. It's a self-adapting blockchain. Is that what it's called? A self-adapting project. We'll just go with that. Where users can vote on the project and they can change things within Tezos. So I think that's obviously a pretty neat idea. Kind of reminds me of Napoleon back in the day, the way he used to run his country. But yeah, we'll save that for another day. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Let me know if you agree. Let me know in the comments what you're investing in right now, July 2020, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.